Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I'm Heath. And today we got some screwed up projects. We got an old boat trailer that a friend of mine gave me, and we're going to take and turn that boat trailer into a small forwarder trailer. Got a grapple for the front of the tractor, so I'm going to take and weld some square tubing to the side of this. That way I can take this trailer back through the woods and grab logs that I've got cut up. I've also got a piece down the road for my buddy that he's clearing for a garage that he wants me to come cut a bunch of trees. So figured I'd whip this up, and I'm going to use it to haul logs with. I might end up having to shorten the trailer neck more than likely, but that's for a later date. I kind of like it right now because at least I can haul 16-foot wood on it, so we're going to see what happens. I was going to try to rig my bolsters up to fit on it, but heck with that. I'm just going to put these sides on there because eventually I'm going to actually throw a floor in this trailer and some sides on it to haul wood in the wintertime. So let's get started. I think I'm gonna try to space these out 8 foot. What I'm thinking anyways. It's not gonna be nothing heavy. This thing's kind of drooped in the middle anyways. I just need something to, basically so I don't have to sneak and strap absolutely everything, you know. Oh yeah, okay. So 8 foot's up in this area. So we can go. 8 foot from the very back. Keep it nice and even. I don't even know if I'm going to measure and cut my pipe the right length. It's not for show. Every piece is about the same anyways. You won't be able to see it from side to side. So, I am going to square them up. I do believe I'm going to do that so it don't look that janky. Hopefully I got enough gas to get me through this. Oh, baby. Baby, baby, baby. Let's see if that'll hold. It might hold. Looks a lot better than that. That's one on. See if we can't get the rest out. Yep, there it is. A quick patch together log forward. Will it work? Hard to tell. I don't have no plans of overloading it, as nobody does, but I probably will. Them tubes really just are a guide more than anything, because that thing is kind of got a sway in the belly, if you notice. I'm only gonna put a couple logs on there at a time, being a little single axle boat trailer, so we'll see what happens and get me some sort of stand whipped up here. Now for the moment that I've been waiting for. Let's go test it out. I'm gonna throw my chaps on. I'm gonna head up in the woods and grab some trees. So this is a big old dead maple tree. As you can see, that piece, what I'm getting right now, it blowed out. And I've been nervous about this tree for a while because we got a hunting shack right there. And as you can tell, this tree has been in bad shape for a long time. But the top part of that one finally broke out. And the other part of it's still alive, but it's definitely not in good shape. And I have honestly been waiting on the wind to take that one down. Luckily enough, it fell in a hole, didn't hit our hunting shack. And now I can get it cut up. And that stuff, it's been dead for a while. It's not, you can see right there. But it's not saying that it's ready to burn, but it'll be close. Now we'll see if we can gather all this up, get it loaded on the new log hauler. There we go. For what little bit I got, we're loaded and hitched. Like I said, there's not much need for those stake pockets right now, but when I go loading it more, there will be. We're already hooked up to the tractor. Roll over the hill.